Hi, my name is Beth Somers and I'm a recipe developer and food stylist in Chicago. Thanks for joining us at Pilot Light Family Meal. I'm going to show you today how to make colorful quesadillas, a really colorful meal you can have on the table in minutes. Here's what you'll need to make them. 8 tortillas, either flour or corn, 1 small sweet potato cut into cubes, a bell pepper also in cubes, either red, yellow, or green, they're all great, half of a yellow onion cut up, some garlic powder, ground cumin, dried oregano, and hot sauce, 1 can of black beans, and about 8 ounces of shredded cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a frying pan. Swirl it around so the pan is coated. Add the cut up colorful veggies and your spices, along with a little bit of salt and pepper. Stir everything together to coat. Cook over medium-low heat and stir it frequently. If your vegetables start sticking to the pan, just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water and stir to loosen them back up. Cook until the onions are golden and the sweet potatoes are so soft that they can easily be pierced with a fork. This should take about 10 minutes. Now go ahead and pour in your black beans and add a few dashes of hot sauce. Stir everything together and cook for 1 more minute just to heat the beans. Go ahead and taste the mixture now, because now's the time to adjust if you'd like more seasoning. You can add more salt or garlic powder or hot sauce, whatever you like. Transfer the colorful veggie filling into a bowl and wipe out your frying pan. Heat it on low while you build your first quesadilla. Sprinkle about 1/2 of the first quarter of the cheese over 1 tortilla. Then divide your veggie filling into quarters too. Spread 1/4 of the veggies over your cheese. Top that with the remaining half of the first quarter of cheese. And this way there's cheese on both sides of the veggies, so when it gets melty, it will act like glue to hold the whole quesadilla together. Sandwich with a second tortilla and carefully slide the whole thing into the hot pan. Cook for about 1 minute or until the bottom tortilla is lightly browned and crispy. Carefully flip the quesadilla over and cook for 1 more minute. Remove your colorful quesadilla from the pan. Cut the quesadilla into 4 triangles to show all of the beautiful colors. Now build the remaining 3 quesadillas. Ta-da! Here is our finished colorful quesadilla. If you have it, it's great served alongside sour cream, salsa, or even avocado slices. But if you don't have any of that at home, don't worry. It's delicious, melty and gooey just as it is, and it's super colorful. Thanks so much for joining me today. Please follow Pilot Light Chefs on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, #PLFamilyMeal. Visit our website and click on the Food Education Center, then click on Family Resources to access today's recipe, as well as additional activities that go along with it. You can find lots of other great recipes and videos there too.
We want to know how you and your family are enjoying this recipe and making it together. So tag us. Find us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs, #PLFamilyMeal.